Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your premium status and ensuring payment is current. This avoids interruptions. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi or a strong cellular signal and check battery level above 10%. Make sure automatic updates are enabled in your device settings, or open the App Store or Google Play to trigger an immediate update. You're starting the update now, so tap Update, watch progress, and avoid switching networks. This lowers the chance of corrupted downloads. You may hit mid-process issues. If the update stalls, clear Spotify cache or app storage. This removes temporary files without affecting account data. Next, verify your device OS meets Spotify's minimum. An outdated OS often blocks updates. Make sure you free up 200 to 500 MB of space to allow unpacking. If the store refuses to update, consider reinstalling from Play Store or using the official APK/IPA only when you understand permissions. Doing this solves most. You finish by restarting the device and launching Spotify to let final migrations complete. This ensures new binaries load correctly. Once launched, confirm your premium features, offline playlists, and playback quality settings are intact. If you notice missing tracks or sync errors, sign out, reinstall the app, and sign in again to refresh credentials. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates still fail, enable diagnostic logging or contact Spotify support with error codes and device model. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.